Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello first grader, welcome back to math lessons. Today we are talking about number pairs less than 10. Okay, how are you today? I hope you are feeling good. Okay, can you see this one are the number that are less than 10? Can you guess what number that is not written there? Okay, you're correct. That's good. It is number 2 that is not written there. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Okay. Before we continue our lessons, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish. Okay. Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count backward? Let's do it then. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's nice. Our learning objectives for today's lesson is know all numbers pairs to 10 and record the related addition or subtraction facts. And begin to know number pairs to 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Do you know what these things called? You are really familiar with this one, as this is a 10 frame. Okay, let's see this 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in these 10 frames, we will talk about the number less than 10. So let's focus on 5. I will cut off all the numbers that is more than 5. This one, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I will cut this one and make it into 5 frame. See this one, 5 frame. I also have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red dots or 5 red counters. And you may see this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow dots or 5 yellow counters. I will put these red dots into the 5 frame. How many dots do you need of the yellow color to fill the 5 frame? Yep, you are right. There is no more room to add other dots since we have filled all of the frame with the red dots. We can record our result by using the table like this: 5 red and 0 yellow. So you can also make the dots. So we can say that 5 and 0 makes 5. Let's try for the other. We swap one of the red dots with the yellow dots. So now we can record our result: 4 red and 1 yellow. 4 red and 1 yellow. This one also makes 5. Let's swap another. This time we have how many yellow? Yes, you're right. There are 2 yellows and 3 red dots. So we can write 3 red and 2 yellow also makes 5. This time I swap another red dots with another yellow dots. So now we have 3 yellow dots and 2 red dots, right? So we can write it down, 3 yellows and 2 red, it makes 5 too. This time I swap again, one by one. So now, this time I have 4 yellow dots and 1 red dot. Okay, I swap another things. This time, I have all of them are yellow, so no red at all. So, 5 yellow dots and 0 red dots. Can record the number pairs by using the tables like this. Or we can also use the number sentences. 5 plus 0 makes 5. 0 plus 5 makes 5. 1 and 4 makes 5. Or 4 and 1 makes 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or 2 plus 3 equals 5. We can write the number sentence like this. Or to make it easier, you can see this one. These are the number that makes 5. 5 and 0 makes 5, and also 0 and 5 makes 5. So we can see that the order doesn't matter. If we combine these two numbers together, the result will be 5 as the whole, and 5 and 0 as the part. So for this one, we can write it down 5 on the top and 1 and 4 below the 5, because 1 and 4 will make 5 on the top. And the next one, 3 and 2 makes 5, and also 2 and 3, we can write it down like this one. 5 on the top, while 3 and 2 below 5. So 5 and 0, so we can subtract this one. 5 and 5 minus 0 will make 5. Or 5 subtract by 5 equals 0. So we can also use this diagram as a subtraction. Or like this one, before we have 1 and 4, subtract by 4 equals 1. And 5 subtracts by 1 equals 4. And for this one, 5 subtract by 2 equals 3. And 5 subtract by 3 equals 2. So we can also write this number sentence in subtraction. Let's find the other number pairs that makes 6. This time we use the 6 frame. You may see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. And this one, I will put 5 red dots and 1 yellow dot. So, I can write it down on the table like this. 5 red and 1 yellow. Or I can also write the addition like this. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Or 1 plus 5 equals 6. Or with a diagram like this. 5 and 1 on the below. And 6 on the top. So 6 subtract by 5 equals 1. Or 6 subtract by 1 equals 5. So, can you find the other number pairs that makes 6? You may pause this video to write it down your answer in your notebook. Later, we will discuss it on a Zoom session. How about number pairs that make 7? Can you find it? By using the same activities like we did earlier with the number pairs that makes 5, we can also find the number pairs that make 7. How about number pairs that makes 8? Can you find the number pairs that makes 8? Okay, so we have learned about the number pairs that is less than 10. We will discuss further in our Zoom session. So thank you for your attention. See you!